Okay, I'm going to do a quick video on a wire stripper that I got off of eBay. Here's the front of it, on button, off button. This is where you feed your wire in at. And this is where it comes out here in the back end. Doesn't move the fastest, strip the fastest, but it does do a fairly decent job for its price. There it is on. I'm going to strip some solid cord here. And the easiest way here is to find your depth. Up, all the way up, all the way down. Just to cut yourself a little piece here. It didn't cut anything. You do that a little bit further. But once you get it in there, you're good to go. Just like that. Easy. Fill it. And you're ready to go. That's solid core there. And I think we've got some multi-strand. And we got a little bit of multi-strand here. I don't know if you can see it. You'll see it when I pull it out. Just like that. Fills it, pull it, strip it, wrap it, and throw it in there. And that's it. This wire stripper I got off of eBay. Pretty good deal. I think it was $2.30 free shipping. And that's what we've done here. About 10-15 minutes. Does strip fairly quickly. And that's it. Thank you.